Officer at the Swansea Police. I stopped you because, first of all, you're going 43 and a 30. I mean, we passed two stop signs, or two speed limit signs that said 30. So you're in a hurry to get somewhere?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get home. Sorry.
Okay.
Going 43 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone in Illinois is 13 miles per hour over the limit. This is generally considered a petty traffic offense, not a criminal misdemeanor. You will likely face a fine, typically around $120, a ticket requiring a court appearance or payment, and points on your license, but not jail time.
And then also, you're driving, you got both tires here over the yellow line. You're kind of like swerving a little bit.
Swerving over yellow lines in Illinois is a violation constituting improper lane usage or illegal passing. Such actions allow police to make a traffic stop punishable as petty offense with fines up to $1,000 plus potential court supervision. Exceptions include avoiding debris, hazards, or passing where a broken line exists.
Okay, and then second thing, is there any cannabis in the vehicle?
No.
No? Did you recently smoke cannabis or?
No, my brother he smokes it.
Okay, so the vehicle smells very strongly of cannabis. And as you may or may not know, you cannot drive anywhere with cannabis in a vehicle or like an open container of cannabis. You can't smoke in a vehicle, none of that stuff. So
in Illinois, possessing cannabis while driving is legal only if it is in a secured, sealed, odor-proof, and child-resistant container that is inaccessible from the passenger area. Any cannabis in a motor vehicle that is open, unsealed, or within reach is considered illegal transportation and is a Class A misdemeanor punishable by up to 364 days in jail and up to $2,500 in fines.
So just based on that, I'm going to do a search of the vehicle. Is there anything that I need to know about? There's nothing at all? Okay. I'll just have you step back.
What'd you say, Demar?
Police in Illinois can search your car if they smell raw cannabis. The odor of raw cannabis justifies a warrantless search because state law requires cannabis to be stored in odor-proof, child-resistant containers. The smell of burnt cannabis alone is not enough for a search, as it can stem from legal usage, but it can be used as a factor.
Pull up right now. Okay. I'm the owner of the vehicle. I'm the owner of the vehicle. Sergeant, can't search the smell of the vehicle. Hey, it's telling you want a sergeant. That's it.
I want a sergeant.
This doesn't require a supervisor.
Well, my mom, can she come first before you do anything?
Tell her they can't search on the smell of the vehicle.
Can you just pull up so y'all can talk to her?
Tell her I'm your minor and I'm your parent. I'm a sergeant and I'm pulling up. That's it. Tell her she ain't searching that car unless she has her sergeant there. That's it. I'm the owner of the car. So your parents are coming. You want a sergeant there. That's it.
She can hear you.
That's it.
I'm waiting.
Nothing else. I will call a lawyer right now. That's it. If you got to go to jail, I will get you all right. There is no bond in St. Clair County. They can't even arrest you at 17 years old. For a smell. For a smelling where we tell them to search the car anyway. It's a new.
A minor under 21 can be arrested or face legal consequences for the smell of cannabis in St. Clair County, Illinois. While recreational marijuana is legal for adults, it remains illegal for minors, and Illinois law generally allows police to search a vehicle driven by someone under 21 if they smell marijuana, as it indicates underage possession.
Come on, tell them to go to the car. Let her do her job, and we're going to do what we do, and we pull it up. Get out of the car. Hey, right, is the police by you right now?
Yes. Can I roll the window up?
Tell them you're a minor, and you don't want nothing happening to your parents. They can't search or smell of weed. They literally can't. I know they can't because it's a Illinois law. But tell them you don't want nothing to happen to your parents. You want the sergeant to come. I said she got pulled over real quick. I know the law. I'm in second. Hold on, let me make a phone call. Don't even worry about it. Tell them you're not getting out that car. Nothing to your parents coming. The sergeant comes. Just if you refuse.
Okay. If you refuse, I'm going to take you out of the car, okay?
She said she's going to take me out the car, Dad. What is
Tell her, no, you're not. It's refused, Ryan.
No.
Ryan, refuse to get out the car.
No. Lord, take me. No. I don't want to get out the car. I'm not getting out the car. No.
Okay.
No, she's trying to take me out the car.
It's time to get out. It's
It's not that big of a deal. You're gonna be
No,
fine.
I want to wait till my mom
Okay,
gets
take your
here.
seatbelt off or I'm going to do it for you,
My
okay?
mama get here. No.
Okay, just
Can you not touch me till my
Nope.
mom gets here?
Okay.
No.
Let's go ahead and step out, okay?
I don't want y'all touching me, no.
Okay, then if you don't let me touch you, you gotta do it yourself, okay? You can do this. Get out of the car.
I gotta get out the car. I don't want to get out the car. No, I refuse to. No, stop touching me.
You don't
Stop touching. She pulling me. Dad. Dad, she pulling me.
Stop, miss, quit.
Stop pulling me. No. Stop pulling me. Mom, help me.
You are making this worse. Just get out.
My mama don't even want y'all touching me. Move.
Okay, then get out.
Police in St. Clair County, Illinois, can pull a minor out of a car and question them without parents present if they have legal justification, such as a reasonable suspicion for a traffic stop or probable cause. While parents must be notified of an arrest, they are not required to be present for search or questioning.
Stop.
Mama, they just dragged me out the car.
Stand up.
Give me my phone.
Parents are coming. Parents and maybe dad and family and everybody else.
Why are you doing all this?
Because my mama don't even want y'all doing this to me.
Well,
No, they handcuffing me. I can't breathe.
okay. Just
I need my mama.
stand. You'll be fine. You're the only one moving.
I need my mama.
What's the arrest for?
I know.
A little bit of weed and a toilet paper roll.
No, all right. Let's.
Can I have the sergeant to the scene right now?
That is me right here.
My daughter is 17 years old. We got every right. I told her to do what she doing.
You told her not to get out of the car?
I told her not to get out the park because it's all right. It's a black child.
That's not lawful.
It is. It's a black child. What the going on? No. That's my daughter, 17 years old. She need not go through nothing traumatic like this. I don't care if you smell weed or not. She don't have more fucking 20 fucking whatever the fucking law is. Get my daughter off this fucking car right now before I call the state
Y'all can't
police.
even search. I smell the weed, y'all. Bro, y'all don't know the law. They
I will talk to you about what's going on, but I
No,
cannot
I
have
don't
you.
care what's going on.
If you want to talk about it,
Okay, let's talk about it.
Step back
Hey,
and talk
fuck,
about it.
I'll talk to you.
Why you
Please
search
sit
that?
down.
I'm her parent.
I understand that. So I will explain the law portion to you, okay?
In Illinois, a parent cannot legally force police to remove handcuffs from a detained child, as law enforcement has discretion regarding safety measures during an arrest. However, parents have the right to be notified of the reason for detention and can advocate for their release.
What's your name, person?
My name Princeton Lewis. I'm her dad.
Princeton Lewis. I'm Paul Woolley.
I'm Paul.
Okay, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
The officer that stopped her for speeding.
Okay.
So that is a lawful stop if she
Okay.
was speeding. When the officer made contact with her, she smelled the odor of fresh marijuana. This is in Illinois now, is that the odor of fresh marijuana will allow for a probable cause search. The odor of burnt marijuana does not. Do you understand that difference there?
Yes.
So,
I'm
the officer-
only telling you because I'm going through a case right now where I got put up with 2 ounces that wasn't medically from the dispensary, but I got off of it because they explained me the law, so they let me go.
How-
Are you going to take her to jail or no?
I am not done talking to my
Okay,
officer. I'm
talk
not
to
sure
your
what the
officer
plan
and I'm
is.
going to talk to my lawyer. That's it.
They can't even search. I smell the weed. That's what's crazy.
You can.
You want to take me to jail? Take me. I'll go to jail for my
I have
daughter.
no interest in taking you to jail tonight, sir. I just want to talk to you
He's
calmly.
on the key.
I'm telling you, give my girl keys to the car so they can go.
We're going to get them.
About that feel bad.
Get my daughter out of handcuffs.
Just next time if you ask to step out of a car, you get out of the
I don't have to get out of nothing that my mama does.
I'm just letting you know, in Illinois, actually in any state, if the cop asks you to get out of the car, you have to get out of the car.
I don't have to get out of nothing. My mama don't tell me anything from the day. I listen to my parents at the end of the day. Y'all in the wrong.
Okay.
Y'all in the wrong.
You can argue that to the judge,
And I
okay?
will. And I will, ugly.
Ugly. You're funny. All right, here's your tickets.
Miss.
Minors can be issued traffic tickets in Illinois. Drivers under 18 must follow special procedures, including mandatory court appearances with a parent or guardian for moving violations to receive court supervision. 2 moving violations within 24 months before age 21 will result in a license suspension.
Okay.
So, let me. I explained to our gentleman here, and I can explain to you as far as how the whole stop.
Thank you, Sergeant. Thank you, sir.
I'm going to tell you.
Okay,
I'm a fucking sue.
Okay.
Fucking Swanson. You know why?
That's your prerogative, sir.
It's not my bro, because you know it's wrong. I asked
It
if
is
you had a
wrong.
daughter.
It is wrong.
But you did this shit.
But it was 100% of her
Okay,
skin
what's it?
color.
This should get a ticket.
That was it.
She was
100%.
cited already. She's been released. She's free
This
to go.
this should get a ticket.
She's
It
free
was
to go. She's been cited
100%.
already.
But
What's she get a
all
ticket
this
for?
I
was.
don't on the citation.
She does.
Drop down in the comments to leave your guilty or innocent verdicts and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.